As hospitals and health systems transform their sick care to value-based healthcare delivery and expand their reach into the communities they serve, Bolt can help bring your strategy to reality. Bolt provides capital for your facility expansion needs to minimize real estate risk and partners with you as an extension of your staff. Bolt has been a real estate developer of choice for organizations nationwide, developing projects of all sizes. With over 125 years in business, we are a fourth-generation, family-owned, and nationally recognized healthcare developer. Bolt has successfully developed over $1.5 billion of healthcare real estate since 1980. What truly makes Bolt unique is our custom rent and physician ownership solutions, allowing us to successfully recruit strategically aligned community partners. This synergistic approach minimizes your health system's risks to the highest degree possible. Although in many of these ownership options we may own the facility, our hospital clients retain the final say on all critical decision-making, choosing the architect, building design, the tenant mix, and right to acquire. Our clients benefit from a facility tailored to their specific needs. Using over a century of data, we focus on design efficiency and value construction. Bolt is able to realize cost savings that are shared as a reduced rental rate. To discover more about the difference Bolt can bring to your healthcare delivery strategy, visit our website or give us a call. Thanks for watching our videos. You can like and subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking up here. To see more whiteboard examples, click here. To see animation examples, click here. Again, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe.